shit, on your camera? Shit.
I'm gonna take Laura Geller's Built to Tiny Line and just apply that onto the corners. So I'm also gonna apply that onto
edit that part out.
And I think that's about it.
Oh my god, look at Ethan, he just yes, you got caught and we caught it.
I use the Lily lashes and stuff. You guys know
my goodness.
lashes and I use them all the time.
Ethan, you
so
just
it's up to you for you guys, but yeah, moving on. I'm gonna go ahead
let's go. We got
apply my
caught.
lips now.
Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go.
With
We
a
got
little
caught.
bit of tinted gloss on top.
She got us.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back. Yes, and I hope you guys are doing well. Okay, so yes, let's get straight into this tutorial. As you can see, I have a few dark spots on my face. This is resulting in me picking my bumps. Why do I do that? I do not know. Okay, so I'm just using that Ole Henriksen toner to take away those dark spots on my face, and this toner really works. So I usually use the Ole Henriksen products for my skin because my skin seems to agree with it. So yes, if you're looking for a good skincare product, this is a great this is a must-have. Okay. Yes, so as you can see, I'm just going in with my Ole Henriksen banana eye cream, and that's to eliminate dark circles that's under your eyes. And right after that, I'm going to go in with the Ole Henriksen moisturizing cream just to moisturize your face, to prep your face for that makeup application. So after I finished applying that moisturizer, I then went in with that e.l.f. booster drops. I saw that at Target and I just picked it up, and I'm like, let's see if it will make my foundation application a little better. Anything to boost the glow. Okay, we're gonna use it. Now applying my Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. And that right there, guys, is exactly how you're gonna feel after coming out of a mystified situation with that Tatcha mist. Don't believe me? Try it. Okay guys, I also do have and this is for my first time viewers, I do have a in-depth brow tutorial for you guys to see, and I will leave that video in the descriptions below, so it will be easily accessible for you guys. It will be just a click away, okay? Okay, the moment we've all been waiting for. Here comes the fun part. Okay, so this look was inspired by one of my favorite YouTubers. Her name is MakeupTiffanyJ. I love the way how she applies her makeup, and I just love it. So I said, let's try to recreate that look. Okay, so I did go in with by using my ZULU palette by Juvia, and the shade I went in with is that yellow shade as I showed you, and that's gonna be my transition shade. Okay, I was really excited to create this look. You know, this is my first time dealing with colors, something vibrant, something fun, because it's the springtime, you know, and we want to brighten up our spirits a little bit. Okay. Now I am going to go in with that metallic rose gold shade, and I'm going to just line it right below in the crease area of my eyes, and I'm using my Morphe, my Morphe M506 brush, and applying it right along the crease. Now I'm gonna go in with that matte pecan shade, and I'm gonna apply that right on top of that rose gold shade so we could deepen that crease. Then I'm going to take that same brush that I used for that canary yellow and blend out any harsh edges. So next I'm going to start cutting my crease by using the P. Louise base primer. That's the same primer I used to prime my eyes. And how to find your crease, guys, not to worry. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Okay, so what you're going to do is get a pen and paper ready. I'll be waiting. Okay guys, you're back. Alright, wonderful. So what you're going to do is apply that concealer on your eyelid, and you're going to look up, and you'll see that the concealer transferred onto my crease area, and that's how you find your crease. How simple was that? Very simple. And when you do that, that also helps to prevent your eyeshadow from transferring. Now going in with that ZULU palette again, I'm just using that yellow shade to pack that lid to make sure that it is nice and saturated. Also using that matte pecan, I'm just going to apply that alongside that yellow shade to make sure that everything is diffused properly and there are no harsh edges with the yellow, and make sure that everything is blended perfectly. Okay, so now I'm going in with my NYX blue liner, and this is the NYX Epic Wear waterproof liner, and this is the color Sapphire. This looks so beautiful alongside that yellow and that brown. I think it just makes the eyeshadow, the whole eyes, pop a bit more. And yes, this is definitely something different, not a black liner as I usually use. So yes guys, as I said, I was definitely inspired by my girl MakeupTiffanyJ. Okay guys, random question. What if someone came out with a palette called the Corona palette? Would you purchase it? Would you support it? Would you support that line? If you ask me, hell no, I wouldn't. Okay. So after cleaning up my wing liner, I am now going in with my e.l.f. Blemish Control Primer, and as you can see that I do have a few blemish, just a few on my face, and I just wanted to control that with this primer. This is my first time also using this primer, so I'm gonna see what it's about. Okay, and yes, I did also pick this up from Target, and Target does have like some of the best affordable beauty products and also skincare as well. So while I was applying it, I noticed that, oh yes, it was just a little bit tacky. So it wasn't like my usual primers that I usually apply on my face. So yes, I was just like very curious about that, but we'll see when we apply our foundation. So now moving on to foundation, I'm going in with my NARS medium to dark in the shade Mako, and I'm using my damp beauty blender to blend that product away. Now I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn, and I'm putting that in my highlighted areas. And on top of that, I'm going to be using my Too Faced concealer. I forgot the shade, but I'm going to put it on the screen somewhere. Okay guys, also don't forget to like, comment, share. Please share this video, this channel with your friends on your social media platforms, and also please comment below. Let's keep our communication going in the comment section. Let me know what other looks you'd like to see as I try my best to recreate these looks and throw out these looks for you. Okay, alrighty. And guys, if you hear a faint snoring in the background, that's my little man. I have him in my arms because he's such a mama's boy. So yes, I am now going in with my Kat Von D Lock-It translucent powder, and I'm just baking. Today I am baking. Yes honey, I am baking under where I put my concealer so that I could have like a nice matte look. And also guys, just in case if you guys want to binge watch a few of my videos, I'm gonna leave a few videos down in the description so you guys could watch. Okay, don't worry, I got you. Why am I doing hand gestures while I'm doing a voiceover? I don't know. Okay, so now I am going to put on these beautiful Ardell 3D mink lashes. But before I do put them on off camera, I'm gonna show you guys a closer look on how they really look. These are just these are just so beautiful, flirty, flary. I just love them. Look at that. Look at that 3D lash. Oh my goodness, I love them. I really do. enough with the simple lashes. We are doing mink, honey. Look at that flow. Now look at her go. Going in with that MAC setting spray. Wow. Going in with that matte pecan shade and also that rose gold shade from the same ZULU palette. I'm going to apply those 2 shades along my lower lash line to make sure that I have a very defined lash line. Now I am about to do my highlight. You know, I always do a soft highlight, and I'm using a small brush from that You Spicy small defined brush, and I'm going in with my Maybelline Master Chrome metallic highlighter. And you guys know I really love this highlighter, and once again, this is a drugstore highlighter. Like yes honey, it is. And as you can see, it is giving you definition, high gold, great highlight. I love this highlight. I actually have another highlighter, just a few highlighters in my makeup collection, but my Maybelline, it definitely gives me a perfect highlight. I usually love the Becca champagne pop highlight, but sometimes it does work for me, but I don't know, it makes me look extremely ashy sometimes, but I don't know. I work with it every now and again, but yes, a drugstore highlight, or should I say a affordable highlight like Maybelline, yes, definitely get it. Don't overlook it, okay? And I'm using my Real Technique fluffy brush to apply that highlight along the cheekbones. And yes, I do not overdo it with the highlight, guys, because I know we can definitely get carried away, but this is just very soft and sultry. Now going in with my lips, I'm using just a regular eye pencil liner, and I'm lining my lips. I'm kind of overlining them because my lips are very small, so I want to just create that illusion that I have bigger lips. Did I fool you guys? Oh, we'll see in the end. And I'm using my MAC matte burgundy shade. The color is rubbed off, guys, because I've had this lipstick for so long, and yes, it was definitely worth it. But yes, guys, this is the final look. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. This is giving me African princess sultry. Yes, you want to see? That is it. All right. But this was so, I really had fun doing this look, guys, and thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.